toll road here, and I'm at the Palouse Falls in Washington State. Hey, buckle up, kids. You're about ready to take a ride on the toll road. The Palouse Falls are formed by the Palouse River, which flows into the Snake River in southeast Washington State. On April 21st, 2009, this was the location that Tyler Bratt decided to do something that I won't call him stupid. Let's just say this was of highly questionable judgment. Tyler Bratt rode a kayak over the falls 185, 86, 87 feet, whatever, and actually survived. Yeah, that's not very smart. We got a little dung beetle here. Found another varmint. Yeah, looks like a groundhog or something. Steady. Oh no, that might be a honey badger. You know honey badgers don't care. Okay. Some sort of varmint. Supposed to be afraid of us. Yeah. There's Mr. Marmot. Once they saw his shadow. Usually I just see these dead along the side of the road. Kind of nice to see a live one. In 2014, a group of school children in the nearby town of Washtuckna decided to try to petition to have Palouse Falls be named the official state waterfall of Washington State. Now, Washington is a state of many waterfalls. Snoqualmie, Wallace Falls, just a couple that come to mind right away. So this was no easy task. But they got some backing from their local state senators and reps, and the bill passed. And this is the state waterfall of Washington State. Before the designation as a state waterfall, they got just under 50,000 visitors a year here. And now, allegedly, the totals are over 200,000 visitors per year. All right, that's going to do it from the state waterfall of the state of Washington. And who knows where the toll road will lead to next.